Don't trade transition for replacement. Now, James the Less, one of the disciples, he was executed, but he was never replaced. When Judas betrays Jesus, he's replaced by an election. Somebody said they put Matthias in. No, you got to read the text. There was a guy named Joseph and Matthias. They both were candidates to sit in the apostolicity of the text. And they cast lots. And Matthias was chosen. But when you read, flip the scripture, Matthias doesn't do anything. Because he's a replacement, not one who's been transitioned. To prove it, if Matthias was legitimate, you wouldn't need Paul. Because Paul is the result of transition, and Matthias is a result of replacement. That's why you have to be careful that you don't ever want God to replace you. You want him to transition you. Because when he transitions you, you shift from being a fighter to a figure. When you've been replaced, you shift from being a fighter to a failure. And you'll know where you are by where you sit. Because do you sit as a figure or sit as a failure? It determines if you've been replaced or transitioned. The only way you cannot be replaced is that even when you're not in your seat, your name is on it. Okay, you got to stay. See, just because I don't show up does not mean you can have my seat. Because me not being here does not give you the right to think you can replace me. I'm just not there yet. But my name is on the seat, which says I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. If my name is on it, I'm on the way.